Welcome back to Reviewsinside, where we help you make smarter decisions with your product purchases. Today, we're taking a close look at a vacuum cleaner that promises a lot of versatility. The Greenworks 24V Brushless Cordless Stick Vacuum, with features like a 500-watt brushless motor, multiple power modes, a high-capacity 4-amp-hour battery, and a digital display screen. It's got some serious specs to talk about. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. This vacuum is built to be lightweight and versatile, with the ability to easily transition between stick and handheld modes, making it ideal for everything from quick cleanups to tackling more challenging tasks like pet hair removal or cleaning your car. One of its standout features is the brushless motor, which is designed to provide consistent suction with lower maintenance and greater efficiency than traditional motors. In fact, it delivers up to 170 air watts of suction power, so you'll be able to clean even stubborn dirt and debris with ease. The motor also comes with 3 different power modes, letting you adjust the suction strength based on the task at hand. On the lowest setting, you'll get up to 45 minutes of runtime, while the medium and high settings drop that time down to 17 and 10 minutes, respectively. This gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of cleaning time, but you'll need to plan your cleanings around those shorter run times if you're tackling larger areas. The Greenworks Vacuum's high-capacity 4-amp-hour battery doesn't just power the vacuum, it's also a 40,000 mAh power bank, which allows you to charge your phone or tablet via USB-C. Making it a nice bonus if you need some extra juice during a cleaning session. This feature might not be something you'd use every day, but it can come in handy if you're in a pinch. The 4-amp-hour battery is an upgrade in terms of longevity compared to smaller batteries, though you'll still find that the 10-minute runtime on max power might limit your ability to clean large areas on a single charge. The charging time itself is fairly quick, with the full recharge taking about 30 minutes, which means you can get back to cleaning without too much delay. The vacuum's digital display screen is a nice touch. It's intuitive, allowing you to easily check your battery life, power mode, and any error messages that might pop up during use. While it's not a groundbreaking feature, it adds a layer of convenience that many users will appreciate. The LED lights on the front of the vacuum help illuminate those hard-to-reach spaces, such as under furniture, so you don't miss any dirt hiding in the shadows. Real-world performance is where this vacuum really needs to shine, so let's talk about how it stacks up in various scenarios. First, it does a decent job on hard floors, thanks to the powerful suction of the brushless motor. It picks up dirt, crumbs, and even pet hair with little effort. On carpets, however, the vacuum shows a bit of its limitations. While it certainly gets the job done, you may need to adjust the power modes depending on the thickness of your carpet. For deeper cleans on thick carpets, the highest setting does struggle with battery life, meaning you might need to recharge more frequently. That said, for lighter to medium carpeting, it holds its own well. Attachments-wise, this vacuum comes with a few essential tools, including a deep cleaning fur brush, a 2-in-1 dusting brush, a crevice tool, and a soft bristle brush. The fur brush is particularly useful for pet owners, as it helps lift stubborn pet hair from various surfaces. The crevice tool is great for getting into tight spaces, like corners and between couch cushions, while the dusting brush handles delicate areas like shelves or baseboards. While these attachments are useful, they don't exactly break new ground in terms of versatility, but they are functional and get the job done. For car cleaning, the soft bristle brush and crevice tool will serve you well, but you may find yourself wishing for something with a bit more power if you're dealing with deeply embedded debris. In terms of noise, the Greenworks vacuum operates fairly quietly compared to many other models. While it's not completely silent, it's not intrusive either. The brushless motor helps with reducing excess noise, so you won't have to endure a loud hum while you clean, which is a nice plus if you need to clean while others are around or if you're just sensitive to loud sounds. However, you'll still want to note that the highest suction setting, as with most vacuums, does generate more noise due to the increased power. Now, let's look at the vacuum's pros and cons. The Greenworks 24V is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home and even carry up and down stairs. This is a big win for users with limited strength or mobility, as it doesn't require much effort to move. The battery life, while not long enough for huge spaces, is sufficient for small to medium-sized rooms. It also charges quickly, which helps if you're in a rush. The HEPA filtration is an added benefit, particularly for allergy sufferers, as it traps small particles that would otherwise recirculate into the air, improving indoor air quality. On the downside, the vacuum's suction power is a little underwhelming when compared to some more powerful models on the market, especially when it comes to thick carpets or large debris. The shorter runtime on higher settings could be frustrating if you're trying to clean larger areas without interruptions. It gets hacks then. The plastic build, while solid, does feel somewhat lightweight, which could be a concern for some users who prefer a more durable, heavy-duty feel. The dustbin's capacity is also on the smaller side, meaning you'll need to empty it more frequently than some larger models with bigger bins. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum does offer a solid performance considering its price. It's not the cheapest option, but you're getting a high-quality motor, good filtration, a versatile design, and a battery that doubles as a portable power bank. Competing models in a similar price range, like the Black Decker Cordless Stick Vacuum, provide similar performance but may lack some of the features like the high-capacity battery or the digital display. If you are someone who values lightweight design, portability, and a vacuum that can handle both floors and pet hair, the Greenworks 24V is a decent investment. In terms of comparisons, if you're looking at other cordless stick vacuums, you might consider the Dyson V7 or the Shark IonFlex, which offer comparable suction power, but at a higher price point. These vacuums, while more expensive, excel in suction and have a bit more power for deep cleans. On the other hand, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the Eureka Rapid Clean Pro is an alternative that provides similar performance, but with a simpler design. The Greenworks 24V is built with durable plastic components that feel sturdy but not overly premium. The brush roll is easy to clean, and maintenance overall is pretty straightforward. Just a quick rinse of the washable HEPA filter and occasional clearing of the brush. Long-term reliability is still to be fully tested, but based on the reputation of Greenworks as a brand known for solid performance in other outdoor tools, we can reasonably expect this vacuum to hold up over time. So is this vacuum worth your attention? If you're after a lightweight, versatile, and easy-to-use cordless vacuum that works well on hard floors, handles pet hair, and offers decent performance on carpets, then yes, it's perfect for smaller homes, apartments, or quick cleans. However, if you're tackling large carpeted areas or need long-lasting power for heavy-duty cleans, you might want to consider something with more suction and runtime. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Do you have any experience with this vacuum, or are you thinking about picking it up? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your floors cleaner than your inbox.